Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and effective DIY potato face scrub and a brightening potato gel. Both of these remedies are natural, easy to prepare, and great for glowing, healthy skin. Let's start with the potato face scrub. I took one potato, peeled it, chopped it, and blended it with a little bit of water. After blending, I strained it and separated the potato water from the leftover paste. I'll keep the potato water aside and transfer the paste into a clean bowl. Now I'm adding homemade green gram powder and 1 tablespoon of homemade vitamin C oil. Mix everything well until the texture becomes smooth. I'm gently scrubbing this mixture onto my hands. This natural scrub removes dead skin cells and makes the skin soft, bright, and refreshed. Benefits of this scrub include skin brightening, dead skin removal, reduced tanning, and a naturally soft and smooth feel. Now let's move on to the brightening potato gel. In a small saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 to 4 tablespoons of the potato water we saved earlier. Mix well and heat it on low flame. Slowly, the mixture will thicken and turn into a smooth gel. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Then add half a teaspoon of olive oil and 2 to 3 drops of rose essential oil. Mix gently until the gel becomes soft, glossy, and silky. Transfer it into a clean container, and your homemade brightening potato gel is ready. Benefits of this gel include skin brightening, reduced dark spots, hydration, soothing effects, and a natural cooling sensation. Do try both of these remedies at home, and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.